In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business location on Waze in our comprehensive 2025 guide. If you've ever wondered how to make your business more accessible to your customers or streamline your own travels, then you're in the right place. This step-by-step walkthrough will help you integrate your business location seamlessly into your Waze app, enhancing both your and your client's commute. To get started, let's dive right into the Waze app on your smartphone. Upon opening the app, you'll notice several widgets displayed prominently, such as Home, Work, and the option marked as Plus New. These are your starting points for setting up frequent destinations and custom locations. Now let's focus on the widget marked Plus New. Think of this as your gateway to adding a new location, like your business. Tap on this Plus New option to kick off the process. Here, you'll enter your business location details. Make sure to provide an accurate address to ensure precise navigation. Next, you'll want to give this location a memorable name, something like My Store or the official name of your business. Once you've completed these entries, simply click Done. And that's it. Your business location is successfully saved. From now on, every time you tap on that newly created widget, Waze will immediately display the best route from your current location to your business. This feature not only saves you the trouble of entering the address manually each time, but also allows for a quick overview of traffic conditions and estimated arrival times. Additionally, if your business location coincides with where you work, you can further refine your Waze experience using the Work widget. Here's how. Just enter your work address into the Work widget. This enables swift access to navigation directions anytime you need to head to your workplace. Simply click on the Work widget and Waze will promptly display the necessary directions for your route. Now, a quick note. Keep in mind that these widgets personalize the app, making it a versatile tool for any busy professional. Whether you're using it to navigate to your store, a meeting location, or simply as a shortcut to your regular workplace, it significantly enhances the ease of traveling between frequent destinations. By incorporating these simple steps into your routine, you maximize the capabilities of Waze, turning it into a powerful tool not just for personal commutes, but also for optimizing business visibility and efficiency. So, there you have it. In a few short steps, you've successfully added your business location to Waze, making it accessible with just a tap and ensuring you're always on the most efficient route to get there. Thank you for joining this guide, and I hope your newly set location steadily guides you wherever business calls.